Welcome back to Spy Garage.
A vision of sturdy engineering and opulent mobile living is evoked by the excitement surrounding a 2026 Kenworth motorhome. Building on Kenworth's long history of producing dependable, heavy-duty commercial vehicles, a 2026 model of a motorhome built on their chassis would have a powerful presence on the road, emphasizing both luxury comfort and longevity. A Kenworth chassis, which is known for its durability and strength, would always serve as the basis for such a vehicle. This foundation guarantees a sturdy and competent platform that can withstand the rigors of long trips and a variety of terrains. A chassis with a strong and effective diesel engine that produces enough torque for smooth cruising and the capacity to tow heavy loads may be imagined. Modern air suspension systems, which are a feature of many Kenworth trucks, would probably be added to provide a smooth and elegant ride, reducing the difficulties that come with a big vehicle navigating different types of roads. The living areas would be integrated onto this sturdy foundation with a focus on roominess and first-rate facilities. Using premium materials and painstaking craftsmanship, the design concept would probably go toward establishing a homey vibe. Handcrafted cabinetry, luxurious upholstery, and high-end equipment may be found in the interior. In order to optimize living space, layouts would be carefully planned, maybe incorporating elements like slide-out sections to increase the available room when stationary. A 2026 Kenworth motorhome would need to be highly integrated with technology. Anticipate cutting-edge infotainment systems that combine entertainment, navigation, and car monitoring in a seamless manner. Lighting, climate control, and other onboard systems could be controlled remotely with the integration of smart home technologies. Comprehensive safety measures, including as cutting-edge driver assistance technologies and strong structural integrity, would be incorporated, drawing inspiration from both the commercial trucking and luxury RV industries. The exterior design would probably combine styling cues typical of a luxury recreational vehicle with the innate robustness of the Kenworth heritage. Standard features would include well-placed utility connections, spacious storage spaces, and long-lasting exterior finishes. Integrated awnings, outdoor entertainment systems, and elaborate lighting packages are examples of optional extras. A 2026 Kenworth RV would essentially represent a combination of luxurious living and toughness. People looking for a long-lasting, very comfortable, and sophisticated campervan that can travel great distances would find it appealing. This car would be a monument to the possible fusion of commercial-grade engineering and the need for upscale mobile lifestyle, serving as a statement of both luxury and functionality. Its presence would draw attention and denote a voyage carried out with grace and strength.